Let's get started. I'm going to switch my yarn color from the light gray over to this dark red. Okay, to make the moss stitch, we are going to repeat a pattern of a single crochet, chain one. We're going to skip a stitch and make a single crochet in the next stitch, and then repeat. Chain one, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. That chain one counts as a stitch, it takes that place. That is why we are skipping a stitch. Chain one, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way across. A quick note on tension. I tend to crochet tight stitches. My tension's pretty tight, but if I'm too tight, that's going to make this section not line up with the others. And so I actually went back and tore out what I just showed you guys so that I can make my chains looser. And that will help your project look straight on the edges. So watch your tension. If you're tight like me, loosen up a little bit. I'm at the end of row one, so I'm going to chain one, skip a stitch, single crochet, and I had worked on this earlier, and I want to make another single crochet in this last chain. It's going to give us one more stitch to help make this edge stay straight. So now we're ready for row two. Chain one. We're going to make a single crochet in that stitch that we just made. And now we are ready to repeat that pattern. Chain one. Oopsie, I made my chain too tight. Chain one, skip a stitch, and do you see this space where we had made our chain one before? We are going to crochet into this space. They call it a single crochet in the chain one space. So we'll put our hook in under the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, and make the single crochet in the chain space. Okay, so we'll chain one, skip that single crochet stitch, and make a single crochet in the chain one space. And this is the pattern that we will repeat all the way across row two. I'll see you guys at the end of row two. Okay, here I am at the end of row two. So I'm going to chain one, single crochet in the chain space, and then we're going to make another single crochet right here so that our edges are straight. Chain one, and now I'm ready for row three. We're going to do what we did for row two, single crochet in that stitch we just made, chain one, watching our tension so it's not too tight, skipping that first single crochet, and making a single crochet in the chain space. Chain one, single crochet, skip the single crochet, and make a single crochet in the chain space. You're just going to repeat this pattern all the way across, and you will do a total of 8 rows. I'll see you guys at the end. So here's my section for today. 8 rows of the moss stitch, which is the single crochet, chain one, skip a stitch, single crochet into the chain space. I like it. I think it's cute. You just have to be mindful to not have a tight tension when you're making it, so that way it can stay straight. So here is our rug at the end of week 1. Congratulations! You are 1/4 of the way finished with your rug. Next week we will learn 5 new stitches to add to our rug. You can use this weekend to catch up on the rug if you missed a day, or you could use one of these stitches to make a quick project of your own. You can make some coasters or washcloth. But I will see you guys next week and we will learn 5 new stitches. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.